Pramod, thank you very much for your time, for being here at the GRI. What's the vision for the market?
I think we've taken the baby steps. We've got REITs and InvITs which have been launched. More recently, we came up with something called small and medium REITs.
Is there any other innovative real estate funding channels coming?
The other channels do exist. So whether it's debt capital, whether it's raising equity and so on, I think all of those opportunities are available in the Indian markets today.
Pramod, thank you very much for being here today. You are here, open to dialogue with real estate leaders. Only shows how transparency and how much opportunity is in the Indian market here. Thank you very much for being here today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Pleasure. Let's start asking about your strategic vision for the real estate capital markets. It's something that's growing, it's very solid. We like what we see, but what's the vision for the market?
So I would put it as that we are indeed very keen on financialization of real estate. And I think we've taken the baby steps. We've got REITs and InvITs which have been launched. More recently, we came up with something called small and medium REITs. Our intent is that both institutional investors, but also I would call retail investors, being able to participate in through financial instruments in real estate is our broader objective. We have taken these steps. We now have 30 plus such REITs and InvITs which are operating. The kind of corpus that is being gathered under their management is now about $100 billion USD. So that itself tells you that there is enough and more investor appetite, and the scale which it can grow at will only accelerate.
Perfect. Now let's talk about broadening the funding channels. As you just mentioned, the small and medium REIT progress and step towards to adoption and having more liquidity as well. How do you see that? Also, is there any other innovative real estate funding channels coming?
So I would put it as again, we end up seeing a lot of the REITs, InvITs, SM REITs as more recycling of monies for the sponsors or people who have developed these assets. But the other channels do exist. So whether it's debt capital, whether it's raising equity and so on, I think all of those opportunities are available in the Indian markets today. It's very rare for a developer not to have access to one of these three, so as to speak. So the question really is at what stage are they at? If there is a finished product, it can clearly go inside a REIT or a SM REIT. If it is developmental finance, and that was the previous panel that I was listening to, then clearly there's both debt available, there's equity available. It's about, like I said, the stage at which real estate developers are at.
If you have to deliver a message to the real estate developers, fund and asset managers, what would be that message?
I think the key message would really be that investor sentiment is very important to preserve. Investor trust is very important to preserve. I think if they are going to be honest, truthful, and transparent about what their assets are like, what kind of returns one can expect, and so on, I think it will help both developers, fund managers garner more and more interest from investors. And I think that trust and that transparency will deepen this market even more. So that's what I would sort of call upon them to, sort of live up to.
Pramod, thank you very much for your time, for being here at the GRI. We always want to have this open channel, and we are here to help and to have a more mature and safe environment for real estate investment in India. Thank you.
Thank you. And we look forward to listening as well and acting upon what we can to help the markets. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Pleasure.
Thanks.
Thank you.